So I've installed the ST1181677LCV under there. My second copy that I just opened out of the box. My first copy is there and it's dead. Hope to God it works. Although I'm using a dodgy adapter, SCSI adapter, so that might be an issue. But I don't know. We'll see. I've set it to spin up and it receives a command from the controller because I don't want to overload this poor little power supply. Okay. Oh, fuck off. Let me try again. Attempt 2 with the keyboard plugged in. Drive there, drive there, drive there. Controller. Oops, spin up. Uh-oh. Sweet. Okay, cool. Let me just put the machine down so I don't kill anything.